Radio 2 in the Park brings music to Chelmsford. Radio 2 in the Park has returned this year with 3 days of music in Highlands Park, Chelmsford. The event runs from the 5th to 7th of September and starts with a lively Friday night party. Well-known DJs from the station, including Vernon Kay, Scott Mills, and Rylan, will play music and keep the crowd dancing. On Saturday, Canadian singer Bryan Adams will headline. He is famous for songs like Summer of '69 and Everything I Do. Other acts on the same day include Jessie J, Ronan Keating, Ella Henderson, and the Stereophonics. The mix of singers gives the evening both new and classic pop and rock. The festival closes on Sunday with Def Leppard. This is their only UK performance this year, which makes it special. The day also features Suede, Anastasia, Sophie Ellis-Bextor, and David Gray. The concerts are also broadcast on BBC Two and online, so people across the UK can join in even if they cannot attend.